Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Today I am sharing very delicious and healthy recipe. I am making chocolate granola. You guys know that I love chocolate so much and I cannot eat Cocoa Puffs every day. So I am making this granola which have nuts, protein, all delicious and healthy goodness. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe with Bismillah. First, in a food processor bowl, I'm adding oats. You can use gluten-free oats here as well. Then I will add some nuts. Today I'm adding almonds and walnuts as well with some coconut. Then I'll add chia seeds. You can use flax seeds as well or hemp seeds as well. Then I'm adding coconut sugar. You can use brown sugar. If you don't have coconut sugar, then adding unsweetened cocoa powder. Then I will pulse it for at least 10 to 12 times until oats and nuts breaks a little. Now I'm taking a saucepan and adding coconut oil and honey in there. You can use maple syrup as well. Start cooking on a medium to low flame until coconut oil is completely melted and mixed through. And now I'll pour this mixture on top of oats. If you want to, you can do this step in a regular bowl as well, because if you're using a food processor, this would break the oats and nuts little more, but I was okay with that, so I did it in a food processor. And here you can see the texture. Now I'm taking a baking sheet and line it with some parchment paper and spread the mixture evenly onto this baking sheet, or you can use a more baking sheet if you have a larger batch. Just spread it into even layer. That's what I'm doing. Now my oven is already preheated on 340 degrees and I will bake it for at least 17 to 24 minutes or until it's fragrant and it's deep golden brown. Just stir a bit near the halfway point to ensure the even baking. And after it's completely baked, just take it out. And now I'm spreading semi-sweet chocolate chips on top. You can use dark or any other healthy alternate as well. Now shake your granola like so. The chocolate chips will sort of melt their way into the clusters and harden within each individual granola cluster. And then let it cool completely. And then place it in a container that has an airtight seal, and it should keep for a few weeks, or you can store in the freezer for up to 1 month or longer. And then you can enjoy it in the morning with milk, sprinkle on top of yogurt, any salad, or even on ice cream as well for a dessert. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.